Hi, Ocean Park. I'll see you there.
So I'm done with fixing myself up. I'll head out. See you. Wow, that's Ocean Park. I haven't vlogged in so long. This was so weird. We've been here since 6 a.m. Things aren't moving still. Very interesting event. We're in the jungle trek.
Bruh.
Those are koi fishes. That's so cool. Welcome to Los Atlantis, boys.
Diadema setoso.
Ano?
Diadema setoso.
So what does that mean?
Sea urchin, isang klase ng sea urchin.
Oh, that's... Oh.
Ew!
It's very surreal and it does not bode well.
Just go slowly.
This is a really weird experience for me because I am deathly afraid of the ocean or anything sea related for that matter, because for one, I don't know how I'm going to survive any of this if ever there's an event that will happen. But of course, we're not going to be truly. This is one of my biggest fears, and yeah, I'm with my mother and my sister. This is a very weird experience for me. Last time that I went to Manila Ocean Park, I was a child. I'm no longer a child. Antarctica unveiled.
Hi, Charlie.
Hello! Penguin, hello!
Inong namin yung Liza tumali pa eh. Yeah.
Oh, that's about it. See ya.
Overall, that area was pretty nice. Not gonna lie. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles.
Gojira.
Ain't no way this is true. This costed 99 pesos. This shit costed 99 and this cost 79. What the? Ain't no way.
Tuturuan kasi. Mga ganun-ganun. Wala na ako tinaturuan. Ano ba yun na? Ang tagal mo kanina. Nung pakita tayo dun sa Antarctica.